Sige. To give your support. Siyempre, alam naman namin lahat yun. For our school. Yan. Okay, ang ilang formation ka natin. Kasi seryoso ba? Walang iiyak ha? Yes. So, okay na? So, pagkatayin mo muna ito po yung message na pinadala ng isa sa member ng Bus 2003. He actually came from first section C. Ladies and gentlemen, this message is from Engineer Jean Paul Makapagal. And it goes like this. I am really happy to hear na aking tamang grand reunion. Masaya ako po na yung Pasig High School, yung maging alma mater ko, nung alis siguro yung kaluburan kong eskwela, alabar ko yung posisyon na hindi. Ipahilagod ko po yung kailangan magulat ang magpasalamat. Kaya kayo hanggang maging maestra ko in secondary schooling ko. Maliban